it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing another paper pumpkin with the box of sunshine. And here is my July host code. You can see that right here. And today is the last day to sign up for the July paper pumpkin. To get that, it is the 10th of July. So if you would like to get that, make sure you go and sign up through me to get the July paper pumpkin. And also we have, with the July kit, you can get out an add-on with that, and that is $10. And you can go ahead and get that. That was as of the 1st of July. Now, after today, that will still be available, so you can still get that. But today is the last day to go and get the July kit. So I want to make sure and come on and let y'all know about that. I'm still actually working with some cards. I have a few more that I wanted to show you, and then I was trying to get some more finished. As you can see, I'm working with some more. I've got some more pieces here, and I was going to try and get them done, but I thought, well, I need to really stop and just let y'all know about today is the last day. Go ahead and share what I've got. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share. If you're not a subscriber yet, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. When you do, please remember to click that little icon bell and make sure you click and where it says all notifications. That way you'll get all my notifications. And leave me a comment down below. And just say hi, tell me what you think of the video, and that way I just love to hear see some comments. I'm thinking about trying to maybe start doing some little giveaways or something like that. Won't be anything big or anything like that, but I'll try and do something when I start seeing some comments coming in. So now we'll get on into this. So here are some cards, and this is one I just now finished. And it is like a fun fold card, and it's got like a little belt to it. And you open it up like this. So it's real simple to do. You just kind of slip it through the notch. Now what I really needed, I had to cut mine because apparently I don't have the Stampin' Up! Punch that I needed, and I'm going to shoot a little picture up here to show you what punch you really need to make this card. I thought I had the right punch when I started doing this, and I realized I did not have the correct punch. So that wasn't going to stop me. I just went ahead and tried to cut a little slit. So you can still do it. You just have to be really careful cutting it. But the punch will make it easier. And then, of course, that punch is wonderful because it's a little tag punch. And then you can use it to put a tag down here and everything to put what you want. I just put hello inside, and but if I'd have had the little tag punch, I would have done it like that on the outside and put something then on the inside. So that's just a little card like that. And then this one is a little shaker card. Now that one I didn't do an envelope with. This I made a little matching envelope. Let's see, which way does it go? I think it goes that way. And I just put "Oh Happy Day." This is my homemade twine, and this is from a different paper pumpkin kit, I do believe. This little tag here, and this is just a little shaker. I don't think I built this up very well. I need to get some of the foam that we've got now from Paper Pumpkin, and because my shaker pieces are kind of stuck down in there, so it's not really shaking very well, but it's still very pretty. What I did was I used the outer pieces here and just a little clear window sheet, and that's how I made that. And then just stamped happy birthday inside. That's another Paper Pumpkin stamp, and used some of those little pieces right there. So, and then this is all the outer pieces as well. Actually, it goes this way. So I should have put that down there and that up there, and I didn't do it that way. So, but it's okay. So that's that one. And this one I think I really like. I like this one a lot. Now I didn't do anything to the envelope. I left it alone. But I just stamped hello, and these little embellishments here were some of the, well, where'd they go? Were these little glitter enamel dots, I think is what they're called. I don't have the packaging. I don't know what I did with the packaging, but you can get them out of the catalog. And I thought the green ones just matched very well. And I just cut this from one of the other cards. It was, well, actually I think it was a leftover strip from where I had cut off. And this was of course the outer piece of this. This was inside of the card. And then I just of course did some layering. And then here's another piece that was cut. And then I used that stamp right there. So yeah, I really like this one. I thought it turned out nice. And it can be used for birthday or anything. So I thought that was a nice card. And then this one too I like. So here's where I cut those pieces off on one of them. So I made some tags and put some black around that sun so it would pop. Use some of that twine that I made behind it to give it some texture. I did stamp a sun on the card, on the envelope, and then I put happy birthday inside, and I used that stamp inside again, that textured stamp. So I stamped the sun on this plain paper here too. Here is the lemons. And again, I used the outer pieces on the envelope. So here's where I just used the lemons, and I used some leftover pieces here. Made this into a thank you card. Put that right there. And inside I just used some more leftover pieces. So this kit really went a long ways. You can do a lot with it. That's why I love these Paper Pumpkin kits. You just go a long ways with them. Left that plain, but I'm thinking I may end up, because I found this very old Paper Pumpkin stamp. This, I can't even tell you how old it is. But I know it's extremely old. It's a little daisy stamp. And I've had it forever. It's probably one of the very first paper. I don't know if it's Paper Pumpkin or Stampin' Up. I'm sorry. Why am I saying Paper Pumpkin? It's probably one of the first Stampin' Up stamps I ever got. And so I ended up stamping some of the flowers inside and coloring it in with my new Stampin' Right markers that I got with the new in colors. So I'm thinking about I may decorate the envelope just a little bit with the stamp also. I just haven't had a chance to do that. So that is all of the cards so far. And remember also, this is bonus days. For every $50 that you spend, you will get $5 in a coupon sent back to you to spend in August. So you don't want to miss out on that. And then also I wanted to show you that in August you'll be getting this is coming out, our new August-December catalog. So I just got mine, and most demonstrators have already put in their orders and probably have already shared their orders and everything. I haven't put in my demo order yet. I'm going to be doing that today. So I have to decide what I'm going to get. I'm not going to be getting a whole lot at one time because of budget and everything. And there's just a lot going on. And with me, I only have one customer, so I haven't really made the money to be able to, you know, spend a lot yet. I do want to get, there's quite a few things in here I actually want to get, but like I said, with budget and everything, I just really have to decide what I'm going to get. So my husband was asking me, did I, you know, decide on it yet? And I haven't. So I'm not real sure. I wish I could show you the inside, but I can't. But I can at least show you the cover. And I will do a flip through come August when I'm allowed to do that. So I'll be looking forward to that. And you can let me know down in the comments below if you'd like that. And I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you again soon.